feel as the private sector, we have a role and a responsibility to work together with our governments to deliver on the commitments that the governments have made to the African people. The effort to address climate issues, we will start as a partner and deeply applaud the commitment of the African states to address climate action and to drive green growth and climate finance. We declare our support to the African Declaration and pledge our commitment in very specific areas.
As we sign this strategy that we've worked together with Equity, KM, UN Global Compact to put together is for us to implement step by step. And as was said earlier by Ellen, there is something for each one of us.